Number 1. 1971 Ford Pinto, $100, Burien, Washington. Priced at $100 in Burien, Washington, this 1971 Ford Pinto is an early Ford subcompact from the fuel-conscious 1970s. It is equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 53,468 miles and has rolled over. The engine starts and runs, but the automatic transmission slips, improving when warm. It will drive onto a trailer, making it a workable project. The body is straight, the white paint is presentable, and the interior is in good condition. It has a clean title and collector plates. The factory air conditioning was removed, and a rare accessory roof rack is included. Overall, it is an affordable restoration or drivetrain project. Number 2. 1966 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, $1,750, Topeka, Kansas. Located in Topeka, Kansas, and priced at $1,750, this 1966 Cadillac Sedan DeVille reflects peak mid-1960s American luxury. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, the car runs and moves, but the forward gears in the transmission are gone. Finished in blue with a clean title and bill of sale only, this full-size sedan offers classic Cadillac presence at a project price. The 1966 model featured stacked headlights and dramatic body lines. Transmission repair is required, but the running engine provides a solid foundation for restoration or parts use. Number 3. 1968 Thunderbird Project, $5,000, Casa Grande, Arizona. Priced at $5,000 in Casa Grande, Arizona, this 1968 Thunderbird 4-door project is equipped with a 429 cubic inch engine rated at 360 horsepower and an automatic transmission. It is rear-wheel drive, shows 56,000 miles, and has a clean title. Highlights include rear suicide doors, power steering, power brakes with front disc brakes, hideaway headlights, sequential taillights, and a 6-way power front bench seat. The Arizona body is solid. It rides on new tires with chrome wheels, and it runs and drives. 2 windows and the interior need attention. Number 4. 1986 Volvo 240 Wagon, $3,600, Santa Cruz, California. Offered at $3,600 in Santa Cruz, California, this 1986 Volvo 240 Wagon shows 171,516 miles with a broken odometer and carries a salvage title. Finished in yellow, it has been owned for 8 years and well-maintained. The interior remains in great shape with custom seat covers and an aftermarket compact disc player. Maintenance was handled by local specialists, and in 2022, a solenoid bypass was performed after the overdrive stopped working. It was last serviced in 2024 and driven minimally since. It runs fine, but like any 40-year-old car, will need future attention. Registration expires in April. The Volvo 240 is known for durability, making this a practical and character-filled classic wagon. Number 5. 1980 Mercedes-Benz 280 CE Coupe, $4,900, Hillsboro and Gaston, Oregon. Located in Hillsboro and Gaston, Oregon, and priced at $4,900, this 1980 Mercedes-Benz 280 CE Coupe is powered by the M110 fuel-injected 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. This rear-wheel drive coupe shows 224,421 miles and has a clean title. It runs strong with no smoke and starts immediately even after sitting. The transmission works properly. The body is solid with no rust. Paint shows clear coat wear, and the driver's door has a crease, but a straight replacement door and matching paint are included, along with a replacement rear window. Upgrades include vented front brakes, polished alloy wheels, studded winter tires, and an auxiliary heater. The heater works well, and the air conditioning needs recharging. These coupes are respected for durability and engineering excellence. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $10,000. Mountain Home, Idaho. Priced at $10,000 in Mountain Home, Idaho, this 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 shows 100,000 miles with a clean title and automatic transmission. It is described as needing a little tender loving care. The Z28 package added performance styling and suspension upgrades, making it one of the more desirable second-generation Camaros. Even in fair condition, these cars continue to gain collector interest and offer strong potential as a weekend cruiser or light restoration project. Number 7. 1973 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 350 Rocket, $8,500, Glen Park, California. Offered at $8,500 in Glen Park, California, this 1973 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme shows 93,000 miles with a clean title. It retains its numbers matching original 350 Rocket 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission with floor shift. Finished in original burgundy paint with a white top and burgundy interior, the car sat in a garage since the late 1980s. Extensive maintenance has been completed, including new tires, brakes, fuel system components, cooling system parts, belts, air conditioning compressor, alternator, battery, and a rebuilt transmission. With bucket seats, working air conditioning and heat, front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes, it drives well and presents as a strong, largely original example of a best-selling intermediate classic. Number 8. 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak, $13,500, Fair Oaks, California. Located in Fair Oaks, California, and priced at $13,500, this completely original 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak sedan is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It shows 60,158 miles and carries a clean title. Finished in green, it runs great and retains its original character with attractive patina. The Silver Streak styling highlights Pontiac's distinctive chrome trim and post-war design. As a true survivor, this early 1950s Pontiac appeals to collectors who value preservation and authenticity over restoration. Number 9. 1975 Ford Torino, $11,950, Granite Falls, Washington. Offered at $11,950 in Granite Falls, Washington, this 1975 Ford Torino shows 71,644 miles with the odometer rolled over and carries a clean title. Powered by a 400 cubic inch engine with a C6 automatic transmission, it runs excellently. Finished in medium blue metallic with a brand new vinyl top and white decor interior, this Torino reflects bold mid-1970s styling. The 400 engine provides strong torque and smooth cruising power, making it a ready-to-enjoy classic. Number 10. 1963 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, $14,900, San Diego and Bonita, California. Priced at $14,900 and located near San Diego in Bonita, California, this 1963 Cadillac Sedan DeVille 4-door hardtop shows 44,000 miles and carries a clean California title. It retains its original paint and is rust-free, with excellent floorboards and body. A minor dent in the driver's side rear quarter panel has not cracked the paint. The brake system has been completely redone. The interior remains largely untouched, though the front seats would benefit from reupholstery. The dash is excellent. It runs and drives smoothly and strongly. As a well-preserved Southern California survivor, this Cadillac captures the golden era of American luxury styling.